performance by Sir Eve Dancel. Being an athlete, it is necessary for us to comply with rules and regulations, follow our coaches, and have a great deal of self-discipline.
Sobrang tama yan. Just like being citizens of this blessed land, respecting our laws and authority, and having self-discipline requires willpower, dedication, and perseverance. But it will be worth it.
To award the winner, here are the Competition Management Chair, Mr. Lito Yabut of Primax Broadcasting, and Mr. Vince Reyes of Executive Decisions. Here is the silver winner for Branded Communications.
How to be friends again after the elections. TBWA Santiago Mangada Puno. Congratulations to our lone silver winner.
There are no gold winners for this category.
The Arrow